thoughts on this game? Doesn't matter that much, but the 2 seed would be good. Also, beating the Jets is always inherently awesome, because I hate the Jets. The Bills also hate the Jets. If you compare these two teams, the most glaring difference is between their 2 quarterbacks and the way they lead. I've never seen Josh pass the buck to anyone else on his team, ever, for anything going wrong in a game, for missing a pass. He always says it was his fault. And Aaron Rodgers, I feel like in every single press conference, is blaming somebody else for what happens in their losses. I mean, it's just such a character flaw that I think is totally unacceptable in a quarterback. I can't imagine being on a team with this guy. It sounds awful. As opposed to being on a team with Josh, these guys fucking love him because he's got their backs. Leave aside anything else you want to say about Aaron Rodgers. I'm not getting into vaccines or ayahuasca or getting paid to be on Pat McAfee or like whatever other things people are constantly talking about with Aaron Rodgers. He's a bad leader. He's made himself look like a joke. Maybe he'll have a great game. Maybe I'll be sitting here eating my words and he's going to totally ball out, but he just seems shitty.
Enough time to get it to Shakir. Shakir with a...
Shakir, good run. Solid, first down. I love Khalil. He had a crummy game last week, so I don't know this ref. This one is new to me, I feel like. Or if I've seen him, he's very quiet when he's on the field, which I'm happy for.
Hey. Nice.
All right, Ty.
Started right here. Will McDonald.
Whoa! Oh, come on, Alec.
Was extra lineman on that last play.
Holy shit. Okay, like I said, the Bills and the Jets fucking hate each other. This is going to be an ugly game if they're already fighting on this drive.
There's another flag down.
What's he pointing at? Oh, flag? What's happening? What is happening in this game? Oh, this game is already so stupid, you guys. This is not a game. This is like West Side Story. I don't understand. These guys fucking hate each other so much. I guess that makes us the Sharks. I'll take it. Yes! Keon! That's right, Keon!
But this might be coming backwards to the 79.
Aw, what? Holding. Spencer! Come on! So much for what I was saying about this ref not wanting to be on camera that much.
Third down, wide open. He's got Holland.
Yes!
He's got 3. You don't see that very often.
Would Alec Anderson and whoever this guy is, like, get their hands off of each other? Thank you. Call a play that doesn't involve Alec Anderson being on the field, please.
Slow motion. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they're just calming Alec Anderson down now on the sideline.
And now, coming from behind, they almost got...
Yes! Oh, we're going to have a good Mac game. I'll take a good Mac game.
They go over to Kincaid. Kincaid with the...
Come on. Yes, Dalton! Nice.
Collapses. Back to the end zone. Through the back.
And the flag in the end zone?
Pass interference. Defense.
Number one. Was it? Was it on number 1? I swear you could call it on sauce on every play.
Here they go in the goal line situation. Watch out
Yeah, we got Reggie Gilliam in.
for someone unique. It's Josh.
There it goes.
He's just tied.
Oh my God. You guys need to stop touching each other. What are Alec Anderson and this guy beefing about on this play? Or is it just hanging out from the last play?
Start with a little swing pass over to Brees.
No, get him. Oh, we're not going to tackle again today? Is that a thing that we're going to keep doing? Is the not tackling? Okay, good. Good to know. I mean, if Aaron Rodgers wants to win this game, he's just going to throw a whole bunch of screens. Because we're terrible. We're terrible at it.
Start sending pressure like they did here. 2nd and 7.
Whoop. Get to him! Come on!
Evan chasing and getting rid of it for the...
Whew.
As Bernard who applied the pressure.
Holding on us?
Got another marker out.
Oh, Aaron's doing the pointing out flags thing too? We're going to have him and Josh do that annoying thing?
Illegal contact. Defense number 31.
I need a better game from Rasul Douglas than that.
Same team from the beginning of the year. Here's a little...
No, get him. Good.
And another flag.
Oh, why is there another flag? What's happening in this game? What the fuck? You guys.
There is no foul for an illegal man downfield.
So we're just throwing flags for nothing now.
They flip it. Hall.
Run play that we're not going to stop because we can't tackle people. That's cool.
Drive straight ahead.
Guys, hands off!
The football, keep it safe, picks up the first down.
Oh, every play. Every play. I mean, yeah, it's a rivalry division game, but the Jets are a problem as far as like us getting chippy. I don't feel like we get chippy like this with the Dolphins and the Patriots nearly the same way. There have been words between these teams and not friendly ones. Ever since Christian Wilkins left the Dolphins, we don't seem to have much problem with them at all. No one's grabbing Josh's balls anymore.
And here's Aaron Rodgers throwing, completing.
Get him! Oh, Sewell!
3rd and 1. Rodgers still has it.
Oh, fake out.
Run it. Throws it instead.
No! Oh, Aaron.
Calls him the Jets season. This is a walk-in touchdown.
His face. His face. Oh, no.
Was roaming free.
And he's blaming that guy. But the ball was slow. He's looking at that guy rolling his eyes. Aaron.
And the Bills are...
No! Nope. 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 Nope.
First option's not there, so what does he do? He takes off.
Wasn't a first, but it was a decent little run.
Gonna get the first down right there.
Open, open, open tie. Woo!
2nd and 6.
Whoa!
Flags down, so
Whoa! Oh, hold.
this is going to come back. The slide.
There's a hold. Just do whatever, Josh.
And
Who's down?
to help Anderson, the extra tackle in, as you see.
Oh, is that Alec Anderson? I want to see how Alec Anderson got hurt. Because based on what's been happening the rest of this game, I have a feeling he might have gotten hurt on purpose. He doesn't have a lot of friends on the Jets.
Disguises the blitz here, but
He's 6 for 9 for 69 yards. You know I had to mention that. I hope someone screen caps that and sends it to Josh because he will laugh at that. This has been a real shit show of a drive, if you can even call it a drive.
Go underneath.
Come on, Khalil. Nah. I mean, that's obviously where you go in that situation. You go to the yards after catch guy. But he's been having a little bit of trouble with the yards after catch in the last game, or maybe 2. Last game was not a good Khalil Shakir game.
By the way, we got another marker, I believe.
Is there a flag? Why is there a flag? Oh, I'm so tired of this game.
About the future. Speaking of big discussions.
I mean, I'm not tired of the game because it's going on for too long. I'm tired of the game because it keeps fucking stopping.
There is no foul legal in the play.
For literally nothing. There was no penalty on that play. They just wanted to chat. They missed each other and they wanted to get together and have a little huddle of their own. They were like, hey, line judge, what you thinking about?
To take it outside, now comes upfield, and look at Hall.
No, we suck at this! We suck at this! Okay. I mean, he got past Taron Johnson and Terrell Bernard. Those are 2 of our best players, and they just got pushed around. That's what our run defense is. Not optimal.
Looking at him now, here it comes.
Oh, come on!
Adams with the catch. Adams with the wiggle.
Oh, Christian! Oh, that was quite a show off between the 2 of them. That was fun. I mean, we lost, but...
And Rodgers throw.
No! Oh, no, that was terrible. How did that happen?
Is there for Wilson. Takes off.
Oh, no! Oh, that was total just miscommunication between us on the field. Fuck.
you have a two-way go.
2nd and 8, ball in the air and intercepted.
Oh, yes! Yes! Woohoo! Big man. I'm so glad we brought Jordan Phillips back. He's just got such a good energy. I like that he didn't even try. He wasn't like, I'm going to go for a big man pick 6. He's like, no, I'm sitting. I know how slow I am. I'm sitting down. Rag, Russo, tip. That's all good news. I liked everything about that. That last drive by the Bills was unpleasant. I don't think you can even call it a drive. It was just them kind of standing in the same place for a while and getting penalties and doing stupid shit.
Cook for a 3rd straight time. Gets the call.
Yeah, he broke that one. Yes! I feel like Devonte Adams is the only person who talks to Aaron Rodgers on the sideline. Everybody else is like not making eye contact with him.
Alec
Yes!
gets it to Coleman. for the...
All right, Keon, don't run backwards. Thank you.
Toss play. Cook.
Come on, Jimbo. Oh, you got nowhere. That did nothing.
1 yard closer to 1,000. Again, it's Quincy Williams.
Alec? Can someone give Alec Anderson, like, a benzodiazepine? Because they're getting his goat, and he's biting every time.
From the right, you got to get it out.
Here they
Oh, my God.
come. Allen avoids it.
Oh, he got loose.
Avoids it
Not really. Kind of.
again. On the run. Bearing down on him. Throws. Please.
Ooh. Keon did a little jumpy thing. Oh, how did he get out of that? Oh, so close. That's crazy. That's crazy.
To the Jets. Bounces at the 2. Bounces side.
Yes. Nice, Cam. Safety.
He did an unbelievable job.
Get him. Safety. Almost. So close.
Cases, and I got him lost. I was terrified.
This is like a close-up of a whole bunch of guys' faces going, how do we get a safety?
Our business. Never be forgotten. And here.
Yes, we did it! Oh, he patted him on his back. That's so disrespectful.
In for him. Pass to an open receiver. Amari
Yes, Amari.
Cooper.
What's the flag?
Pass interference. Offense number 18.
Damn it.
Yeah, you know what? One thing you got to admire, he hasn't.
Oh, yeah, okay, well, I mean, the guy flopped, but yes, Amari did push him. That guy's no idiot. He knew to fall down.
Distribute it to everybody.
First and 20.
Yes, Amari, better.
His quarterback sneaks, and there's another penalty.
That one.
What was that?
Are they going to throw a penalty on roughing the passer as well?
Flag. So many.
There are 2 fouls against the defense on the play. Offside, defense number 99. Personal foul, defense number 95.
Oh, that wasn't a great play for him.
Here, they give Williams right here on this one.
The other guy was 99, was the roughness. That should have been 30 yards. If he got roughed twice, can he get 30 yards?
Allen.
Oh!
Almost got sacked.
That was crazy. That wasn't my favorite thing he's ever done. Just take a sack. Sometimes you can take a sack.
Again, pressure. Pass. Caught.
All right.
With a 12-0 lead.
Yay! All right, Tyler. All right.
Here's a 1st and 10. Handoff.
That was good.
Rodgers out of the gun. Gets it away quick.
Oh, Taryn almost intercepted that. What's going on? That was 2 stupid plays in a row for the Jets. Maybe I'll hope for another one.
Coming after him. And able to unload.
Get him! And are they gonna call a flag on Cole? No flag on Cole?
Now a flag comes out.
Illegal contact, defense number 24.
Bishop has some things to work on.
Great job making him feel the leverage.
Don't smile. You know you do it. Uh-oh.
Gets it to Adams.
Oh, Matt!
Milano not able to get him down. And Adams.
That was not the best play I've ever seen out of Matt Milano.
Be up here, otherwise it's going to be Adams underneath.
Oh, Vaughn, how'd you miss him?
Rodgers throwing across his body and almost
Oh!
off the deflection.
Oh, Christian, you almost had it.
But up.
And this is very...
And Aaron. Aaron's reaction face.
Whoa, look at that play.
Oh, that sucks.
3rd and 4. Fires.
I don't know if you can even really count that as a drive. They were on the 1-inch yard line. It's hard to get out of that. Like, that was one of the best fielded kicks I've ever seen. The fact that we didn't have dueling safeties there, I'm okay with it. The Jets I just want to laugh at and point at, and I want them to lose in the most embarrassing ways possible. The team just seems like a bunch of assholes, and Aaron Rodgers is an asshole, and Sauce Gardner's an asshole, and yeah, they can all go fuck themselves.
Pass across the middle. Wilson. Nice.
Oh, that was a good cut. Who was that? Lazard? Wilson. And see, I can even give credit where credit is due. That was a nice run.
Gonna run it.
Nope.
Nothing there.
Just destroyed Brees Hall. My God, Ed.
Offensive line.
2nd and 15. Rodgers.
Oh my God, get him! Yes! Woo! Aaron Rodgers now sacked as more than any quarterback in NFL history. Is that what that stat is? Couldn't happen to a nicer douchebag. Oh my God, how is none of that holding?
Down the
Yes, Christian!
It's Benford with his second
Yes, Christian! Run, 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 run!
reception of the season, and he's out of.
Oh, I adore him.
There is a flag.
Oh, there's a flag. What's the flag? Why is there a flag? Why is there always a flag? Is it a holding call? What's the flag? Just fucking tell us.
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness.
Aaron Rodgers.
Offense, number 8.
He laughed.
Oh my God, there was a late, what? Oh, are you kidding me? Let me see, let me see, let me see.
Quarterback to ever have that.
Oh my God, they called a late hit flag on Aaron Rodgers. Oh, this is the best game I've ever watched. Oh no. Oh God, I hope he retires. I hope he ends on this fucking note. Oh, that was the best. That was the best.
1st and 10 for Allen and the Bill.
Yes. Coop. Oh, yay. Coop got his 10,000 yards. It's a great game.
Check. Little sneak.
Yep, got it.
Heaves it to the end zone.
Yes! Woohoo! He's looking kind of wounded, but he caught it. All right, Coop.
6. And again they get to.
Oh, yes, Vaughn! Woo! Put him down. Shit. That's not a real doorbell, Lana. Lana, no. No. It was on the TV. So stupid. She's so stupid.
Got another flag down as he fields it at the 33.
All right, Codrington, do fun things. Oh, there's a flag already?
Covington
Whoa!
on the ground, able to wiggle out of
Oh, yeah!
it. This is why they traded for.
That was fun.
Over to
All right, Dalton.
Kincaid.
Yeah.
Similarities there.
Yeah, as you said.
Okay.
And jumping on top of the pile is Clemens.
Oh, is that gonna be a flag for jumping on top?
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness.
Oh, come on. I kind of don't even want them to call that because it was hilarious. Like, you gotta let that stand just because it's funny. Man, if I was a football player who could do that, I would do that all the time. That was hilarious. That looked fun. Are we stat padding? We might be stat padding a little bit.
Oh, you're going to hand it off to Cook. How about that?
Oh, we're not. We're getting it to Jimbo. See? Because they knew. They knew he'd just get shit for it. Well, this is going well. So, yeah. I mean, we could lose. There's a whole quarter left. We'd have to absolutely collapse in a really phenomenal way. Josh may not be playing this last quarter.
They hold the guards. Yep. Win.
Whoa! Come on, get him!
And in. And Wilson lost the football.
Oh, he dropped the ball! You gotta come back, get it!
As he made the move, and it recovered
Yes! Yes, man!
by Milano. I believe he was touched.
Oh, we love you, Matt Milano.
But he takes it home just in case.
Are they giving that to him? They're not giving that to him. Are they saying he didn't get touched? Did he not get touched? Come on, replay. I feel like hands were on him when he made the recovery. Yeah, I don't think that's a touchdown. As much as I would like for Matt Milano to get a touchdown there, no. It's still the third quarter, you guys. Are they going to sit Rodgers already?
Now you got to get rid of it.
No.
Into the end zone, and it's
Keon! Holy shit!
There is a flag back at the 25-yard line.
Oh. Are we going to take another crazy catch away from Keon? This game is so mean to Keon.
If it was a touchdown.
Woo!
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness.
Oh I'm sorry, I'm like speechless.
Coming back or not might affect that decision of him to keep playing.
Get him, yes! Ed Oliver.
Clear in our talks with him several times this year.
Yeah, our backups not doing a whole lot. Who's 80, Shavers?
He would be amazing and great.
All right, catch by Shavers.
He deserves it. Lamar deserves it.
Holy shit!
Here's a guy coming right in.
Shit, no way!
Burst! Taken at the distance.
No way our practice squad guy just got a touchdown. Fuck.
Trubisky is on fire.
Trubisky MVP. Oh my god.
And he becomes the 13th different player.
The 13th player with a receiving touchdown on the Bills. But it wasn't from Josh, which is such a bummer, but whatever. Oh, we always get Mitch Trubisky bailing us out. That's crazy. That's crazy. Fucking Shavers. Holy shit.
Oh, do we have a penalty marker?
Oh my god, there's a flag. I'm not even joking. There is a flag on the field. What are we doing here, folks?
The Jets have 140.
Are you listening to this stat? They have 140 yards of offense and 127 yards of penalty yards.
And they're cheering him here.
Are they cheering for Tyrod? Of course they're cheering for Tyrod. We love Tyrod. We love Tyrod. You're not even going to let Tyrod throw? Let Tyrod throw. We let Mitch throw. Or they just want to let it end. They're just going to run down the clock.
Take off.
Oh, get him.
Or aggressive.
That's Devonte? Why are you still playing Devonte? Come on. Why is Devonte Adams still out on the field? Oh, this fucking team. See, this is why the Jets are going to sit Aaron Rodgers, but they're still going to make Devonte go out there? Why? Oh, he's trying to get to 1,000 yards? He doesn't need to get it in this game.
As Lazard has his first catch of the game. So
That was Lazard's first catch of the game? Man, this has been a bad game. We let Codrington play?
Well, you can tell right now Buffalo really wants.
That's 0. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we really do. We want to hold him to 0. Can we keep him to 0? Can we keep him to 0? I want it so bad.
snap, pulls it down, end zone bound, and
Ah, damn. That's fine. Good job scoring on Brandon Codrington, who is our returner. They're going to go for 2? I guess.
take it, throw wide open.
Why not?
And it took 53 minutes.
Oh my god, that's brutal. That was just mean. They were like, well, Tyrod Taylor came in and took them 70 yards and then flashed to Aaron Rodgers in a baseball cap, slow clapping on the sideline. Everyone hates him. Everyone hates him so much. Like, have you ever seen, like, just seething, loathing for a player? Like, everybody's like, yeah, this guy sucks. Let's just make him look like a fool. They're going to make me start feeling bad for Aaron Rodgers. I think Tyrod Taylor's the best backup quarterback in the league. I do.
And they're in because Indianapolis will lose today.
All right.
Here's the return.
Yes!
It's a big one.
Yo!
That's Ty Johnson.
Yes, Brandon. Oh, that was Ty. Oh, all right, Ty.
Of anybody so far in this season. None today.
Was that Alec Anderson? He's had a rough game. Alec Anderson has gotten in like 5 fights. He got a flag that was weird. I've said the name Alec Anderson more times in this game than I have ever said before. Looks like the Colts are about to knock themselves out of playoff contention, losing to the fucking Giants. That's sad. Oh, they have Flacco in now. I actually thought maybe Flacco would do okay.
To the Giants, 45-33. You can put a line right through that. Okay, or out, or gut.
They have too much fun. This is why I like games on CBS, because they have fun.
Inside give to Gilliam.
Reggie Gilliam gets some yards. That doesn't usually happen.
Does a lot of the things that you don't see in the stats.
I don't think he's gotten any carries this season, actually, because I was just looking at his stats the other day, because they put him in for more plays last week than they'd ever put him in before. I kept seeing Reggie Gilliam on the field. He was in for 18 snaps. That never happens. I like this. Feed Reggie.
You're going to block this time.
They did. They feeding them.
They didn't feed him well. Oh, man. He got destroyed. Okay, so this is not Reggie Gilliam's best game. Are they going to leave him out there? Why?
New England.
Here's a 4th and 3. They go ahead and
This is disrespectful. They're just like, fuck it, turn it over. I don't care. That's hilarious. That was rude. I'm just going to say it.
Taylor across the middle.
Is that Andreessen who tripped him? Jim Nance just said 2 more minutes before this mercifully comes to a close.
In fact, he's headed that way. And
You know what? I don't mind that we didn't hold them to 0 because I am getting a real kick out of Tyrod Taylor having 2 touchdowns more than Aaron Rodgers in this game. They're doing another 2-pointer?
he knows how to read a defense.
Nope, not this time.
That's good stuff by Tyrod. 11 out of 14.
Oh, and Sean McDermott just gave him a little head pat. Yeah, see, everybody loves Tyrod Taylor. There should be like a Hall of Fame for like cool guys who played in the NFL. And we would call it the Tyrod Taylor Museum.
Are you going to use your timeouts or?
Thank you, Ray. Thank you for sliding, Ray Davis. Put us out of our misery.
Undefeated at home in the regular season.
All right. Well, it's been fun. You can check back in for Bills Patriots, where Josh will presumably play 1 play to keep his streak going and then sit down. And we'll get to watch the Mitch Trubisky show, which could be fun if he keeps throwing touchdown passes to Tyrell Shavers.